If you're dealing with sharp or achy pain in your shins when running and it keeps coming back, you could be dealing with shin splints. Let me show you how to fix it fast. Shin splints happen when the muscles of our shin and our lower leg get aggravated and irritated because the load is too much for them. Most people stop, rest, let it calm down, but never actually fix the root cause and the problem. Today I'm going to show you 3 exercises to help improve the load tolerance and fix our overall problem to help get rid of those shin splints. First, Tib Raises. This is going to help strengthen the front muscles of our shins. Most people who have shin splints have very weak tib anterior muscles, so we're going to help fix that. We're going to start by leaning against the wall here. Our knees are going to be relatively straight, and then we're going to lift our toes in the front of our feet up, keeping our heels down. We're going to pause for a second. We're going to slowly lower this back down. We're going to lift back up. We're going to slowly lower this back down. We're going to repeat this for 15 to 20 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Next, calf eccentrics. This is going to help strengthen your ability to absorb force on impact through our calf muscle. This is really important. As we're planting down, we need to be able to absorb that force with the muscles rather than the tissue underlying. So there's 2 parts to this exercise. One is with a straight knee, and the other is with a bent knee, okay? So first we're gonna start with our knee straight. We're gonna go up on 2 feet. We're gonna shift over to 1 foot and then slowly lower down. As we lower down, we wanna take 3 to 4 seconds to bring that heel back down. So knee straight, up on 2 feet, lift the heels, then we're gonna shift over to 1, and we're gonna slowly lower over a 3 to 4 second count. Bring that heel back down, put the other foot down, and repeat. We're gonna repeat this for 10 to 12 reps on each side. Then we're gonna bend the knees here. And we're gonna lift the toes, keep the knee bent, shift over to one side, and then slowly lower the heel. Notice as I lift here, my knees stay roughly the same angle and I don't do this, okay? I'm trying to keep that knee bend. And then when I shift over and I drop that back down, I'm trying to keep that same knee bend in there rather than shifting over and I'm here and then I just straighten that knee, okay? Same for this. We're gonna repeat for 10 to 12 reps on each foot. We're looking to do 2 to 3 sets per leg per exercise. Okay, now we fix your foundation. So if your feet can't stabilize, your shin muscles are gonna work that much harder and your shin is gonna take all the force from that impact. So we're gonna start working our feet a little more to absorb more of the force so that the shin doesn't have to. So I'm gonna show you here just so you can see. This is again a little bit of a 2-part drill. We're going to lift the arches up of my feet here so that we're not nice and collapsed down like that. We're gonna lift the arches up, we're gonna stabilize, try to not scrunch the toes in like that because then we're not working the right thing. So we're gonna lift the arches up, try to keep the toes relaxed, but keep stable there. If you have a hard time with this, a cue that I give is pull the toes up here. See how that lifts my arches up? And then try to drop the toes back down, but keep that same foot position. So when I bring my toes down, I don't just do that again, okay? Also, don't mind my toenail paint. I have a 3-year-old daughter. So we're gonna lift those arches up. Our toes are not gonna be scrunched. We're nice and stable. And what we're gonna do, knees are gonna be relatively straight. We're gonna shift the weight over to that 1 foot. We're gonna pause for a 3 to 4 count. And then we're gonna stabilize again, shift over to the other side, 3 to 4 second count, stabilize out, and repeat here, okay? We're gonna go back and forth. As you get better at this, You can just go back and forth and pause and go back and forth and pause and stabilize, okay? We're looking to do 15 to 20 repetitions, shifting back and forth. And then we're gonna bend the knees here, so stable the feet, bend the knees a little bit here. And then we're gonna shift over and balance. Notice how I'm a little bit more wobbly here. This one changes because our knee is bent, right? So pause, stabilize, shift over, stabilize. Again, 3 to 4 second pause. Repetitions back and forth, 15 to 20. We're looking to get 2 to 3 sets of this. Don't ignore this. Pain is a signal, not something to just continue to push through and hammer. Reduce your running volume a little bit to make it a little bit more manageable and a little bit more tolerable while we do these exercises to start building up our ability and building up the resilience and the strength. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and drop a comment down below if this helped you. Save this before your next run and follow for more.
Valley Rehab Physical Therapy and Return to Work Center.